yourself, brother. Not coming in. I'ma just stand right over here and smell. My stomach is a hollering for something to eat. Did you know ham and eggs could talk? Oh yeah. Well, they was just talking to me this morning. You see, the ham said to the eggs, "Whoop whoop, white boy, you's crowding me." Then the egg said to the ham, "Ham ain't crowding nobody, just sitting around in this grease." Oh, they can talk. You don't believe me? You believe me, don't you, Wheezer? I'll prove it to you. What you gotta do, you gotta mix them up. You know, put them all together. And you gotta, you know, put them in a pan and turn them over. Turn them over. Shuffle them around a little bit. And then they'll talk and howl. What you mean they ain't talking? Like, where you going? You about to leave? You gonna leave? Well, Weezer, you gone now. Let's eat. Woo-hoo-hoo, yes, sir. Let's eat. Yeah, I told you ham and eggs could talk. Cause they saying hello to my stomach